Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about BCD adder. BCD adder is a combinational digital circuit that handles the decimal number in the form of binary coded decimal, that is BCD. A BCD adder is a circuit that adds two BCD digits and produces a sum digit also is in the form of BCD. So, to implement BCD adder, we require first a 4-bit binary adder for initial addition, which means simply it is a parallel adder circuit. Second, logic circuit to deduct sum greater than 9, which means the decimal values are from 0 to 9 is said to be valid BCDs. Other than 9, they are invalid BCDs. Third, one more 4-bit adder needed to add 0110 to the sum output if the sum is greater than 9 or output carry is 1. So the bit 0110 added to invalid BCD is called correction bit. The same can be expressed in the table. The decimal values are from 0 to 9 is called valid BCDs. Greater than 9, that means 10, 11, 12, 13, etc. are invalid BCDs. The equivalent binary values are represented in the columns S0, S1, S2, S3 and Cout. So, how we will identify the obtained sum output is invalid and how we will correct this? With a simple prediction method, we may identify the invalid BCDs. The first prediction, whenever Cout is 1. If Cout is 1, the output sum should be greater than 15. This is my first prediction. And second prediction, whenever S3 is 1. And we should check for the next two conditions, S2 or S1 or both are 1. So if it's so, the sum ranges from 10 to 15. So with the help of these two prediction method, we may express in a single equation and it is identified by x, that is equal to Cout plus S3 into S2 plus S1. It indicates whenever x is 1, it is invalid BCD form. So we may convert this invalid BCD into valid BCD by adding the correction bit 0110. This is the logic diagram for BCD adder. It consists of two 4-bit binary adder. As I already said, this 4-bit binary adder is simply a parallel adder circuit. It consists of two different inputs and considerably it is a 4-bit input are represented from A0, A1, A2, A3 and B0, B1, B2, B3. It will have an initial input carry as Cin. It produces the carry output Cout. The second 4-bit binary adder, it is used to correct the invalid BCD into valid BCD by adding the correction bit 0110. So let me discuss this BCD adder with a simple example. So if we consider a 4-bit input variable A and B are 0101 and 0011 respectively. The decimal equivalent for 0101 is 5. The decimal equivalent for 0011 is 3. We already know if we add 5 and 3, the output is 8. The same can be expressed with the help of this BCD adder. So from the given input variables A and B, it can be fetched into the input lines as A 0101 is represented in red color and B 0011 is represented in green color. The sum and other outputs can be represented in blue color. So now by adding the BCD values of A and B, we should add the each binary bits of A and B. So the output sum is 1, 0, 0, 0. Yes, it is expressed in the terms S3, S2, S1 and S0. And the output carry C out is equal to 0. Now we should check for the condition X. X is C out plus S3 into S2 plus S1. Here, the first AND gate consists of the inputs 1 and 0. So the output of first AND gate is 0. Then second AND gate consists of the inputs are 1 and 0. Again the second AND gate output is also 0. So to find X, C out is 0 and the two AND gate outputs are also 0. Hence X is 0. Whenever X is 0, the obtained sum output is valid. So 1000 is a valid BCD and the decimal equivalent for 1000 is 8. Similarly, if we consider A as 0110 and the decimal equivalent of this 0110 is 6. And for B 0101 and the decimal equivalent for B is 5. So if we add 6 and 5, the output is 11. The same can be expressed with the help of BCD adder. So we may express the same A and B values in the circuit. A is represented in red color and B is represented in green color. The outputs are represented in the same blue color. So we add A and B each bit by bit, the sum output can be obtained as 1011, that is expressed as S3, S2, S1 and S0. Similarly, the output carry C out is 0. Now we should check for the condition X in order to identify whether the obtained sum is valid or invalid. So the first AND consists the inputs are 1 and 0. So the output of first AND is 0. And second AND consists the inputs are 1 and 1. So the output of second AND, yes, it is 1. So to find X, C out is 0. S3 into S2 is 0. But S3 into S1 is 1. Which means X attains the value 1. So whenever X is 1, the obtained sum output is invalid BCD form. So we should convert this invalid BCD into valid BCD by adding 0110 into a second 4-bit binary adder. Then it will produce the sum output as 0001. And the carry output, that is C out, is 1. Generally, the second carry output is ignored. So the obtained sum output is 0001 and the decimal equivalent for this is 1. Yes, it is less than 9. Hence, the obtained output is in valid BCD form. This is what about BCD adder. But BCD is having several disadvantages. BCD is very less efficient than binary because it needs more number of bits to represent. And this BCD adder is more complex to design while doing arithmetic operations. These are the references that I have used for preparing this video lecture. Thank you for watching.